Welcome to part 2 of this video series, Landing Page Fundamentals. And in this video, I'll be talking about page elements and architecture. So by the end of this video, you'll be able to learn the essential elements that needs to be present in a landing page and also their purpose. So yeah, let's dive in. Now, according to Ollie Gardner, designing a landing page is not a rocket science. And the good thing is that we have a blueprint that we can follow. And he says that there are 5 essential elements that needs to be present in every landing page. And these are value proposition, hero section or the hero image, benefits, proof, and lastly, call to action. I've actually created a wireframe so that you could have an idea on how these essential elements would look like in the form of a landing page. So in the next slide, I'll be showing you the wireframe that I created. And this is the wireframe, and these are also the sections where the essential elements would be placed. So in the next slide, I'll be explaining the purpose of each essential element, and we'll proceed with the first one, which is value proposition. So what is value proposition? Value proposition is a collection of statements that you use to explain what you're offering, and it can be broken down into 3 page elements, which is main headline, subheadline, and lastly, closing argument. As you can also see in the right side part of the slide, on the wireframe, I actually highlighted the sections in highlighted them in blue so that you could have an idea on where these elements would be located when you create your own landing page. Okay, so let's proceed on the first value proposition element, which is the main headline. The main headline is the very first thing that people will see and read. So it's very critical that it clearly describes what the visitor will be getting from your landing page. In other words, it should answer the question, what does your product do when the visitors land on your landing page? The second value proposition element is the subheadline, and there are 2 functions. The first function is that it's a direct extension of a headline where it serves like a finishing sentence. And the second is it's to extend the message by applying an additional persuasive message to support the main headline. Lastly, the closing argument. Now, this serves as a final reminder as your landing page is about to be finished. So, closing argument is the one final chance to communicate the benefit of what you are offering on your landing page because it backs up your value proposition. And it should also be coupled with a repeat of your call to action. Let's go to the second essential element, which is the hero section or the hero image. So this is the best photograph or graphics of your product or service. This is mainly designed to make your product stand out as something worth getting. And this is also the section to describe the main headline into something visual. The third essential element on a landing page is the benefits. While the value proposition is about getting your visitors' attention, benefit is all about statements that attaches directly to the pain felt by the people seeking out what you're offering. Yeah. So the fourth is proof. And this is a powerful persuasive concept. So basically, it's the use of social signals to illustrate that other people have claimed what you're offering. So it could be in a form of a testimonial, a video testimonial and stuff like that, comments, or maybe like the logos of the media companies that you were featured in and stuff like that. So the concept here is that you are more likely to buy something if you see others before you have bought as well and have been happy about it. And last essential element on a landing page is the call to action, which is very critical to conversions as it's the target of your marketing campaign or page's conversion goal. It's it's what you want people to interact with on your landing page. So it could be a form or maybe a button. So yeah, that's it for the page elements in architecture. I hope you learned something. In my next video, I'll be talking about call to action design and placement. And remember, keep those conversions rolling.